Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're looking for a fun and innovative way to create cool, imaginary AI-generated images for free, then you're definitely in the right place. In this video, I provide an amazing tool. It's literally Midjourney alternative. I'm going to introduce you to a powerful new tool that can help you bring your digital art to life. This tool is an exciting, realistic alternative to Midjourney, and it's perfect for anyone who wants to create stunning visuals without spending a fortune. So grab a cup of coffee and let's explore the world of AI-generated art together. Step 1. Go to the browser and search for Lexcia art. I provided a link in the description you can utilize. After entering into this tool, you will be able to see the Get Started button on the right side top. Click that. Now we want to create an account into this tool by using our email. After creating an account, we can able to view some couple of options on top. Now we are going to generate our image, so please click the Generate option on top. Our next task is to describe our images. If you have no idea how to write a prompt for every AI tool, then you can check out the video description. I have provided some examples for your reference. After watching them, you should have a better idea of how to write a prompt. Next, there's the negative prompt. If you don't want something in your image, like buildings, cars, or something, this will help you to remove it from your image. On the right side, you will have some options. With the help of these options, you can able to change dimensions, set the model contrast, and image count. After everything is fine, just click Generate to produce our image. Please be patient as it may take a few seconds for our image to appear on the screen. The image is now fully prepared and you may click on it to zoom in. If our image looks good, we can download it by clicking the download symbol on the image top. If you'd like to view the images you've created, simply select the My Image option to view your created images. Now our AI-generated image is complete, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel for more AI-related content. Thank you for watching.